Hi, Bashar. Tell me, what impact does AI have on intelligence growth and on people being self-reliant when, like, they're working on something? Is it building people? Is it like damaging people self-reliance on like doing most of the work? Or what is your opinion there? I just want to hear like, what do you think about that?
Yeah, so if you want to, so if I want to think about it, like because of I do when I'm doing my prompting, I'm doing programming and building some integration. So I'm gonna use AI. So yeah, so what does it do? So is it really is gonna help you grow? You see your skills, and then it's teaching you also some like new way of doing coding that you don't know. Or maybe you forget about it, or you don't know about it, or there is some new way as well. You see, so they release a new technique. You understand? So now you can also learn from it, and also just giving you the proper way of doing whatever that you are trying to do, like research and all this stuff. You see, so now the point is gonna become where it's just the way that you're gonna use it. You see, so if you want to use it to help you to upskill yourself, your talent, so it's gonna be like if it gives you the code, so you have to ask, okay, what does this code, this piece of code mean? You see, and then okay, why did you use this and that? And then after that, it's gonna explain you, oh, because of this. So now you are learning as well at the same time. So now it's different from later, for instance, from vibe coding where you're just asking AI, okay, build this, build that. It's giving you a code. So now imagine that you have the code that AI is providing to you, and then you are a developer. You see. So now you throw, oh, I need this code here, give to you, and then sometimes you don't know what it is. So now sometimes it's gonna work fine, but now the more you are doing that, and the lesser you're gonna start to understand certain things. You see. So now you can have like a code that is working, and after that you don't know how it's working. You see, and that is really kind of like negative because of it's gonna come a time where there is a bug, a contextual bug, not a syntax bug. You see, but a context bug. So now the context, the AI cannot fix the context bug. So you have to yourself try to fix it because of you're asking AI to build something for you. Yeah, it's not like for AI itself, but it's for yourself. You see, so now you're gonna have to understand the context. You're gonna need to understand the code. You have to understand how the code work and all the stuff. You see, so which means that you have to become almost like smarter than AI itself because of AI is gonna help you to speed up the way that you do your work. You see, but now you're gonna have to proofreading it. You're gonna have to validate whatever AI is saying. You see, so you must become the validator. So for you to become a validator, you have to understand what is like, is this code right? Is this code wrong? Is the context right or wrong?
Yeah.
You see, so it can be later, for instance, in the simple way is you write a letter and then you put, okay, hey, write it better for me. So the grammar is going to be better, but sometimes the context, you meant something else, but AI is going with a different kind of what you didn't mean about your letter. And then you say, no, I didn't mean it in this way.
Yeah.
So now you're not discussing about the grammar anymore. So you're discussing about the context. So AI does not really know the context. So you are the only one that you have the key of the context. So now imagine now you don't know grammar. You see, you don't know the semantic of letter process of sentence and stuff like that. So if you don't know those kind of things, and then when AI is giving you, like he's giving you now the result of your letter, you're not gonna really even sometimes understand the context, the semantic of it. You see, and then you're gonna just send the letter like that. You understand? So it's the same thing as like when you were doing the coding, and yeah. So the skills is just the way that you're gonna use it. So if you are just using it in the way of it must do whatever, like everything for you, and then that now it's almost like you are robbing yourself of, improving your skill.
Yeah.
You see,
Yeah.
so the question must be like, okay, I want to understand why did you ask this question. You see, that's the reason why we have something called like now like ChatGPT and DeepSeek. They have that one of thinking. So while AI is thinking, you can see they're showing you how it's processing data.
Okay.
So you have to learn. That's so this is the way that is the technique that is learning and stuff. So you have to follow the same principle of checking. Okay, how he's getting the information, and then sometimes you're asking, oh, where did you get this information from? So how this instead of that,
Yeah.
you see, that's one is going to help you to upgrade also your skills. So yeah, so it's both way. It can help you to enhance your skill, and also the same way now it can also kind of like stop you from learning more,
Or slow your
slow
progress on
your
learning.
progress on
Yeah,
learning and
yeah.
stuff.